Look at all the donkeys, Ryan.
That's a whole lot of
Tail.
At least you don't have to pay 20 bucks to get in the door.
Is this like the one you rode to school back home?
Yeah. Jake, I found the secret to trimming tiny, angry donkeys.
How's that?
Instead of pump-up music, love songs.
Love songs?
They're lovers, not
You gotta
fighters.
serenade your donkey.
Let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
You gotta lick the ear, Ryan.
Let's get it on.
I had to do the sniff test first.
The sniff test. It didn't pass the sniff test, apparently.
Nah.
You know, I pan over at the chickens and you start flailing around. What the heck?
Watch out! Run for your life, chicken! Run for your life!
Chicken, 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 chicken. Is this the most fun you'll ever have in your life?
No. So when I decide he's calm, he's taking it, I'm gonna let him. I'm gonna take it around his rump, pull his head around. There we go. So I want to send a message very directly and very small message at a time.
Almost in the water bucket.
Babe's gotta go in the water bucket.
Hey, I know somebody that went in the water bucket.
Of course you're telling that he was a Kelly whisperer.
Talking about him right
Where's Robin? He took a shot. Yeah, it knocked the horseshoer in and he started limping around.
She says she got laid off from the M&M factory. Why again?
Because, wait, was it because I threw all the W's out?
Do you get it, Whitney? Do you understand? You got it?
Nothing like doing about 30 head of rank donkeys and then coming home and there's 6 tied to the round pen.
I seem to be out of coffee. Barista! Thank you, Barista. Hold on. How do you store it like this? Or like this? Hey! Good, good. Oh, wow, good one.
Yeah, I think that's it. Wow.
The contest for the $100 hamburger is about to begin. They got to make 1 hind shoe and 2 written questions in 1 hour. Are you ready, Brista?
Well, good job, man. Congratulations.
You had a late night last night?
Yes, I did the 6 hours in the night yesterday, and we don't care to work hard. We don't need to sleep here. We need to work. 5 hours is enough for another day. But for you, you need more.
Well,
you need your beautiful sleep.
Yes. Yes.
To wake up more beautiful man.
That's right.
Toma, what? Toma!
Help is great.
Toma!
Hit me some backside.
It's flat. I made it put flat, so now.
Yeah, now you gotta dress it.
Yeah, just dress
And
it.
you'll dress more laterally than me, or you see how things still leaning?
Paso!
Samuel, would you say it's a bit drafty this morning?
It is very drafty.
You could even say it was Frisian.
He's freezing.
Frisian.
Freezing.
Frisian. Frisian. Frisian!
I have to put a jacket per sarong.
Several bad puns later.
What about you, Dan? You got any puns?
No.
Dress like the wind, boys.
Another rare glimpse of the wild Gonzalez. Oh, joy! Look at the baby.
What we have here is the young wild Gonzalez.
Mate, the wild Gonzalez is mate. It must be mating season. How's it going today, boys?
Pretty good.
You ride that vice, cowboy. We had a rut row.
We've got a lot of Indian names today, haven't we? Sparkle shoes.
Everybody go! One job! Everybody clap! Good job! That's right. It's like the elephant rides. Well, we got a full day of shoeing.
Oh yes, and tire changing, all sorts of exciting stuff. We're gonna have a nice conversation, talking about flying through clouds, and all of a suddenly, the world came apart.
Speaking of which, your dad just passed us and said that we're probably leaking gas.
Oh! Well, that's exciting.
Well, I say this van's gonna be out of commission today, huh?
There's a plausibility of that.
Well, nothing like throwing a little drama into our Thursday. It's kind of like the end of a peep. Morning, Robin.
Morning, Kelly.
What's Princess David?
Your second name is Goliath. Watch out, Carson.
I need more than that little pebble.
I need no more than this little pebble.
Can you rap? Yo, we shoeing these minis on a hot summer's day. Just me and Ryan and Kyle and MCA. We got our rhymes on top. We shoeing them up right. That's how we do. We don't take none from you. We take your money all day. That's right. Yo, our pants are on tight because we wore a belt. Because we're responsible, son. Yo, you better get away because we ain't got none. Money because we're in school. Peace
Pushing
out.
buttons.
That was totally freestyle, I put all our names in it. Dude, I'm like an inside out Oreo, man.
What's an inside out Oreo?
Black on the inside, white on the outside, yo. Farmer rapper.
Oh my God.
What are you doing?
I'm timing myself, but I'm gonna clean out the foot and look at it, and then I'll put it down. That's like formally how you do it, right?
So you folks that are out there watching at YouTube land, this is not a miniature. The fact is that Jimmy Buffett is just a massive dude.
Oh my gosh, fee fi fo fum. Where did the rooster come from?
Somebody go get some Scotch bottoms for this.
Go.
Now it goes on it.
There's some dirt in my field of view.
20 minutes later. Two hours later. One eternity later.
Now it's time for our new segment on Hammered, Impersonations with Robin.
My name is Forrest Gump. My mama told me the life is like box chocolate. You don't know what happened.
This week in Israeli impersonations. Friday, Lauren. Friday. Friday. Elijah. Friday. Oh yeah, I forgot you guys got to work tomorrow.
Friday.
Well, we don't.
This is gonna be an awesome week to get 2 Fridays.
Be careful with that. We got to kill the roadrunner later.
You got a what?
We got to kill the roadrunner later with that animal. Did he get it?
No.
Oh, dang it. We are getting old, ain't we?
Yep. Is Wile E. Coyote around?
You're dirty.
He didn't go to bed.
I didn't go to bed. Something just told me I just needed to stay out there and swing a hammer all night and all morning. So I did.
Everything happened to be turned into day.
Yeah. But yeah. It's good to see you guys.
Hey, has anybody seen my shark nuke yet?
It's the dust monster!
What are you doing?
Girls?
Yes.
How's it going?
Alright.
Good. How are you holding up minimal sleep here, Ryan?
Oh, I'm fine, man. I'm like a train. I am a machine. Also known, aka Ryan the Lion. Yeah. I'm a lion. I just eat anything up. We ate a pig earlier. It was all right. It was a little nasty, but I ate it, and I just got my nutrients. I'm ready to roll right through this thing right here.
No, I'm sorry.
David.
I was talking to her.
Happy Friday, man.
Happy Friday, thanks.
Yeah, guess what? We gotta work tomorrow.
Yesterday we went to the Pizza Hut and this pretty boy ate large pizza alone.
You know the thing about Pizza Hut is when you eat it, you better not plan on going anywhere afterwards.
I didn't do it.
You didn't do it? Well, apparently you did because you passed.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good? You excited about your $100 hamburger too?
I'm super excited.
Yeah? Well, cool. So no counseling statement for you?
No statement.
Oh, good. Well, carry on, dude. Good job.